AI for content creation has leveled up in 2025. But when it comes to choosing the best AI writing assistant, should you go with ChatGPT or Chat.DeepSeek? Which one is smarter, more creative, and better for your content? Let's find out. First, a quick introduction. ChatGPT by OpenAI has been dominating the AI writing space for years, known for its human-like responses and vast knowledge. Meanwhile, Chat.DeepSeek is an emerging AI model gaining popularity for its advanced reasoning and creative text generation. But which one is truly better for content creators in 2025? Let's test them on blog writing. When given the same prompt, write a 500-word article on the future of AI, ChatGPT delivered a well-structured, SEO-friendly article with engaging storytelling. On the other hand, Chat.DeepSeek generated a detailed, research-backed piece with a more analytical tone, so, if you want creativity and readability, ChatGPT wins. But if you prefer depth and facts, Chat.DeepSeek might be the better choice. For social media, both AIs can generate captions, tweets, and LinkedIn posts. However, ChatGPT tends to be more engaging and playful, making it ideal for platforms like Instagram and Twitter. DeepSeek, on the other hand, produces insightful and professional content, great for LinkedIn or industry-related discussions. When it comes to storytelling and script writing, ChatGPT shines. It understands pacing, humor, and emotion better, making it the go-to choice for YouTubers and content creators looking for engaging scripts. DeepSeek, however, is great for documentary-style content and technical breakdowns. For bloggers and website owners, SEO is key. Chat.DeepSeek pulls in more detailed research, but ChatGPT structures content better for readability and engagement. If you're writing long-form, research-heavy content, DeepSeek is great. But for engaging, user-friendly blogs, ChatGPT takes the lead. So, what's the final verdict? If you want engaging, creative, and storytelling-focused content, ChatGPT is the winner. But if you need deep research, facts, and analytical content, DeepSeek is a strong contender. What do you think? Have you tried both AI models? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI content creation tips.